December 2025. Southampton, England. An 18-year-old tells police 5 times, "I've been stabbed. I can't breathe." An officer replies, "I don't think you have, mate." They handcuffed him. He died on the pavement. Henry Nowak's killer, Vickrum Digwa, had fabricated a story on the spot, claiming Nowak tore off his turban in a racist attack. The lie worked. Police cuffed the victim and left the murderer uncuffed. Digwa's own mother arrived at the scene before police could secure it, and walked the murder weapon home. She's now convicted of assisting an offender. Now the US State Department has publicly condemned Britain's ideological conditioning and two-tiered policing, calling it a symptom of civilizational decline. Keir Starmer says the policing was not two-tier. The Bodycam footage says otherwise.